So, meron tayong equation dyan. 4 times the quantity x plus 2 equals 32. So, solve daw natin yung value ni x. So, first step dyan is apply distributive property. Yung 4, multiply natin sa x and 2. So, yung 4 times x magiging 4x. 4 times 2, positive 8, equals 32. So, kopyahan lang natin yung 32. Then, yung positive 8, kunin natin yung additive inverse which is negative 8. So, dagdag natin sa kabila. Huwag na natin gawin yan sa kabila yung pag-subtract ng negative 8. Kasi ginagawa lang naman natin 0 yung 8 dyan. So, transpose na lang natin para mabilisan. So, kung positive yun, magiging negative yung itra-transpose mo. At kung negative naman, magiging positive. So, for x32, naging negative 8 siya. For x is equal to 32 minus 8 is 24. So, ang last step, gawin na natin 1 yung numerical coefficient ni x or yung any variable na ginagamit by simply dividing the number beside the variable. So, kung ano yung original na numerical coefficient niya, yun lang yung gagamitin yung pag-divide both sides para maging 1. X is equal to 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So, x is equal to 6.